So if you've made it this far, I just want to give you a big congratulations, because at this point, you have virtually every tool that you need in order to build rich, complex PHP applications. Now, you have all of the important building blocks. We talked about variables, all different types of variables like string variables, arrays, objects, Boolean values, and numbers. We worked through various control structures like if and else if, and looping control structures, which are very powerful, like for each, while, and for. We looked at comparison operators like the two equal signs, and we looked at shorthand operators like the shorthand concatenation operator, which was the dot equal sign, and also the plus plus shorthand operator, which adds one to the original variable. So far, we've explored a ton of native functions, some of the ones that you're going to use the most as you start to build your own code. And we've also started building our own functions. We've learned how to build functions to accept arguments. We've learned how to pass arguments to a function by reference. And from here, even though we'll be exploring some additional control structures and some more native PHP functions, we're pretty much going to be working with what we have now. And we'll be putting together what we know in order to build more and more complex applications. A lot of what we'll be discussing is very conceptual. It's about how to organize code in a certain way and how the way that we think about the code affects its ultimate usefulness. We'll also be focusing on building architecture, which is the organization of code into different files and to different structures.